Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Count Your Blessings. Today I'm going to share with you a quick and easy trash to treasure makeover. For this project, I have decided to reuse this Ferrero Rocher base and I'm going to turn it into a to-do list board. Let's get started. I'm starting off by removing this paper and I'm taking a wet tissue and I'm going to wipe it up. I'm following it up with a dry paper towel so that there are no streak marks. On both sides. Now set this aside. Take this paper. This is the insert and I'm just turning it over. Wiping it dry again. And then using my ruler and some sketch pens, I'm going to draw a margin and lines. This scale already has these markup lines and therefore they make my job a bit more easier. Now for the main lines. You can also use a black pen to do the lines, but this is a typical notebook paper design and therefore I chose this design. Now that I've drawn the lines, I'm going to attach it to the base of this board. I'm using some colored sellotape. You can use transparent one. Just a little bit on the corners is enough. One in each corner and one in the center, just for good measure. You can see how I've attached it. And now for the reveal. Dun, da, da, da. Now I'm going to use my whiteboard marker, or you can even use a permanent marker, and write to-do list. And now I'm going to use these whiteboard markers and write my list. And you can erase it with just a plain tissue paper. And then you can write whatever you want. You can either keep it on your table or you can attach it to the wall with double sticker tape. And as and when you do it, you can either score it out, mark it up, or erase it up. And that's it. Your DIY to-do list is ready. Thank you for watching. Hope you like this video. Please be sure to like, share, comment and subscribe. Also click the bell icon next to it. Until next time, take care. God bless. Bye-bye. Smile, Jesus loves you.